To upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11, open the Windows settings. Click on the Start menu and then click on the gear of settings. You can open the Windows settings by simply clicking the Windows key and letter I together. Now in this page, click here Updates and Security. In the next page, if it shows that this PC can run Windows 11 without showing any link, then you have to wait some more days to get that link. If you can see the link there which says that upgrade to Windows 11, it is ready and it is free. Click over here in this link, download and install. Read this agreement and then click here accept and install. Okay, now it has started to download the files. You have to wait some more time to complete this process. Once the downloading is completed, then you have to wait some more time for completion of the installation. Once the installation is completed, you have to restart your computer. You can either schedule the restart or restart now. Now I am going to restart. This process may also take some more time, so please wait patiently. Once this process is completed, Windows 11 will start in your computer. Now wait for another couple of minutes. Keep your computer plugged in. Okay, now we have done it. Once this process is completed, you can see the Windows 11 desktop. Thank you for watching this video by iTech Tips.